3 simple reasons you're stuck living an unhappy life. Everyone dreams of living a happy life, but the sad reality is that the majority of people are living unhappy lives and will continue to do so unless they do something about their situation. If you belong to this group, then stay tuned to this presentation to find out the top 3 reasons why you're stuck living an unhappy life. Number 1. You're surrounded by negative people. Humans are social creatures. We thrive on social interactions with other people. Sometimes, however, when we become too close to others, we tend to overlook their negativity. You'd probably tell yourself, "Oh, but they're my friends. I care about them. They only want what's best for me." Well, guess what? Not everyone's going to put your welfare over theirs. You may not notice it, but your friends may be pulling you down and may be preventing you from achieving your dreams in life. If you've got friends like these, then you better say your goodbyes ASAP. Unhappy people will try to bring down as many people as they can. Don't be a victim. Instead, look for and surround yourself with positive people. Trust me, you'll be so much happier in their company. Number 2, you're not willing to do the work. You've got a dream for yourself. You know that if you achieve it, you're going to be happy. You'll finally feel free. The only problem is, you're not willing to put in the effort so you can finally succeed. Your dreams aren't going to be handed to you on a silver platter. You've got to go out there and put in the time. If you're lazy, then you're going to get stuck in the same unhappy place you're in right now. You're never going to get out. Is that what you want? If you truly want to make a difference in your life, then you must go to work and leave your comfort zone behind. Number 3, you nitpick and criticize everything. Finding fault in every little thing you do or come across is a serious problem. If that's what you are, a nitpicker, then you must take steps to overcome that attitude. If you're nitpicking on yourself, then you're probably not going to get out of your self-contained prison. You have to be self-aware and stop yourself every single time you start picking on yourself. It's a vicious cycle and you're never going to win unless you stop it.